Today we share how to remove and install the front and rear wheel well liners. This is useful for cleaning drains and general access, brake line access, suspension upgrades, general cleaning because gunk loves to get stuck inside there, and more. While it's on the ground, loosen all wheels for which you want to remove the wheel well liners. Using the T25, I've done 1, 2, 10 millimeters. And last one. There's one hiding under that you gotta get under for. Bigger than the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. At this point, the wheel well liner is removed, and you can work on the brake lines, suspension, or anything else you need to while it's off. The hardest part about reinstalling the front wheel well liners is getting the lip to seat at the top and around the perimeter of the wheel well liner. You might want to seat the lip and then seat it onto the 10mm studs and then insert all of the Torx screws. We then reinstall the wheels, lower the vehicle, tighten the wheels, and turn our attention to the rear of the Cayenne. There aren't nearly as many Torx screws on the rear wheel well liners as there are on the front. Just be sure not to miss the Torx screws hiding on the rear bottom of the Cayenne. Press it against the top here to get it unseated, then back in the middle, over the brake line,